Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope you all are fine. Students, we have completed our syllabus and I have sent you a task to revise the lesson chapter number 1. Uh, it was about the Venn diagram. As we have discussed and understand how to draw a Venn diagram using two sets. If it is a disjoint set, then we will draw the circles like this, and if it is an overlapping set, then we'll draw the circle like combining two sets. Okay, but in the quiz or test that I have sent to you in previous days, uh, there was three sets, and you will find difficulty to how to draw the sets using Venn diagram using three sets. So here is a video, a lecture for you, so that you will be able to draw the Venn diagram using three sets. As you know that the rectangle shape is known as universal set, and it is compulsory to draw the universal set, and all the circles are called the set A, B, C are given drawn with the help of a circle. Okay, if we have three circles and all the circles are overlapping set, like if in a set A, B and C there are the values 1, 2 and 3, and set B it is 2, 3 and 4, and in set C it is 0, 1 and 4. For example, there are some numbers that are in B and C, or these are common in both values. Okay, so for drawing the circles, like I have drawn circle A, circle B and set C circle. Okay, it is A, B and C. Firstly, we will write all the numbers. It is a set. This is part is only for A, this part is only for B, but this part is for A and B both. Okay, so I will write the numbers that are in both in A and B. These are 2 and 3. Okay, now in set A the remaining number is 1, and in set B the remaining number is 4, but we can see that it is also in C, so I will write 4 in the part that is combining with C. Okay, this is the part. Okay, similarly now it is there is in 1 it is in A and B, so I will write in common part of A and C. Okay, now 0 is the last part, there is no any common element, so it will only return in C. I have also done a tutorial video to understand the Venn diagram, so you would be able to draw the Venn diagrams by your own. So let's start the video.
This is a three-set Venn diagram. The three sets are F, T and B of students playing football, tennis and basketball respectively. We don't need to write elements inside the sets. All we have to do is understand the different regions. The concept of three-set Venn diagram remains the same as that of a two-set one. To understand this well, all you need to do is visualize the different regions. We play a simple game of coloring and guessing. We color the region and then guess the set. Let me give you an example. Look at this colored region. It does not contain anything from set T or set B. So this region shows the students who play only football. Okay, what about this region? Yes, it includes students who play only tennis and not football or basketball. What about this one? It is simple. Students who play only basketball. Now the next one's a very tricky question. Look at this region. Is it F intersection B? That's not correct. Don't worry if you thought this is the answer. This is where many go wrong in a three-set Venn diagram. This region is F intersection B, but in the blue region we just marked, observe that we have included nothing from set T. So this blue region is F intersection B minus T. You should probably get the next ones correct. This region, it includes students common to football and tennis but excludes basketball. So it will be F intersection T minus B. And what about this green region? It will be T intersection B minus F. And now for the most important region. This one marked in yellow. This is the region in which all three sets meet or intersect or overlap. So it is F intersection T intersection B. So these are the regions you should know well. These ones were a bit tricky. So here are a few more questions to know if you've really understood the regions well. Let me draw the sets again. What is this region? Yes, this region is F intersection T. It also includes students who play all three sports. And what about this dark blue region? It is B intersection F. And this green region is T intersection B. Once you know how to recognize the regions, you will love solving the Venn diagram problems. And I would recommend practicing the understanding of regions part well before practicing any examples.
That's very good. Now I hope you will be able to draw the Venn diagrams using all these questions. Okay, so solve all these questions using Venn diagram and send me your feedback on my number. I will wait for your answer. Take care and Allah Hafiz.